In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear shock absorber on your Kia Soul. It's located behind your rear wheel. Support your rear with a pole jack before removing your shock. Once you do that, you're going to take out your 2 bolts on the top with a 14mm socket. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove this nut. You shouldn't have to hold this end because it does have the head. It's got like a rectangle for a head to make it stop when you're loosening the nut. You're going to remove this. You may have to turn it a little bit to get it out past the e-brake cable. Now you can remove your shock. Now we're going to take our mount off our shock. I'm going to try to zip it off. If I can't and this spins, then we're going to have to hold this still while we take this nut off. I'm using a 17mm socket. Looks like we loosened it, but as you can see, it's spinning. So now we're gonna hold that still. I'm gonna put my 1/4" wrench on the very end here, just to get this the rest of the way. Only because my locking pliers don't fit. Now you can spin it off the rest of the way with your fingers. Take off your washer. Take this out of your vise. Take your mount off. And the rest. Now we're going to prime our new shock. Cut your strap off using a razor blade. And you can take this cap off. Your nut's already there. I'm going to use a piece of wood, and I'm going to put this between my feet on the floor. So I have a piece of wood on the top just so I don't hurt my hand. And I'm going to push down on this. All the way down. Let it come back up. Do this about 3 or 4 times. Now I'm going to take this nut off. Set it aside. Now I'm going to put this on, the sleeve and the bushing. Make sure that's all the way on. Put the top on. The washer, and then the new nut. And now we're going to put this in the vise. I'm going to use my 1/4" wrench at first with my ratchet to tighten this nut in. So you want to tighten it and then go another 1/4 turn. And that should be good. And now we're going to install this in the vehicle. I'm going to feed it up through. Line it up. sure it's fitting inside this area here. And now you can start your bolts. I'm going to snug up these bolts and then torque them to 45 foot-pounds. Now we're going to put our bolt in the bottom. Now we're going to push the bottom part of our shock absorber in and use a pry bar to just line it up. Feed your bolt through. Make sure the head of the bolt is in line with this stopper right here. And now we can start our nut. Tighten it up and then torque it to 80 foot-pounds. Once you've torqued that, you can lower down your suspension and remove your pull jack.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.